Welcome back to Morgborg Tech. I've got a pretty interesting quick unboxing here of a phone. This is called the LG V111 for Verizon. This is another untested phone that cost me about $7 off of eBay. But what makes this phone interesting is I believe this phone is quite rare because I know absolutely nothing about it. This phone, it's like it doesn't even exist because you can do it yourself. I Googled this phone and there is no information about it. So I do not know anything about this. I don't know when it came out or what features it has, anything. All I know about the phone is what was in the pictures. So let's take a look. Now, this phone appears to be quite dirty, so I might have to wash my hands after this. And it's not in the greatest shape. Little flip up like a micro tack. We have lots of tape. Yep. This rubber has severely degraded. So I just press down on it. Picks up on my hands. It's all up in here. But here's the phone. Pull out antenna. Verizon. Battery comes out like so. Has a little bit of heft. As you can see, V111 from LGE. The E must mean electronics. So if I had to guess, this is probably a very old phone. Verizon didn't exist until 2000. I wouldn't be surprised if this phone is from 2000. Here is the charger port on here. I might have the plug for that. I don't know. I will find out later. So yeah, that's a quick unboxing of a LG V111 for Verizon. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Peace.